everyone, I'm Shane Kwiaterski, Director of Business Development at Fluid Motion. Super excited to walk you through the all-new Solara 310 Sport Coupe today. As soon as you board this vessel, you're going to notice right away the entire transom is clear of any obstructions with our signature rigging platform. Notice the rigging from the engines do not go to the transom, so you don't have any obstruction while boarding the boat or moving from port to starboard. This boat is built on our signature performance double-stepped hull, which enables faster planing time and a faster, more fuel-efficient hull than a traditional variable dead rise boat. And our laminar flow interrupters, or LFIs, creates positive, predictable turning on a double-step performance hull. This boat is powered with twin 300 Yamaha EX engines. On the transom of the boat, you have a 4-step boarding ladder to starboard to easily get in and out of the boat. Secure handrails for boarding the boat as well. Rod holders on the transom, 2 port and starboard for a total of 4 in the cockpit. On the starboard side, you'll notice you have a recirculating live well. As you move to the center of the transom, you're gonna notice a really unique transom seating here. This seat can face forward or aft. In the aft position, it's a great seat to watch your kids while swimming or just at the sandbar and watching a beautiful sunset. As you move to the port side of the boat, you're gonna notice a standard electric grill. This electric grill runs off of your standard lithium-ion house battery power. As you move further to port, you'll notice that there's a fresh water shower with a hot and cold water mixer. By connecting it to the aft sunshade, now I have a great shower to rinse off with fresh water after swimming, diving, and other water sports. Why don't you guys step aboard, and I'd love to show you the rest of the features of this wonderful boat. This cockpit is an incredibly versatile space. Whether you're fishing, cruising, entertaining, it can really do it all. First of all, let's just check out the seating. Once again, this transom seat can reverse and now it faces forward. You have port seating, another aft-facing jump seat, and one more on the starboard side. You can even make the dinette and cockpit seating right here faced aft for another aft-facing seat. So just imagine you with your friends and family and entertaining in this zone. You could comfortably have 6 to 8 people back here. Notice this traction decking that I'm walking on as well. This is a standard EVA foam traction decking. You also have Premier Fusion audio with red LED lighted speakers throughout the boat with separate zones to control volume in different areas of the boat. As with any boat, storage is always a premium. This boat has no shortage of it. You have massive index storage aft here and systems access. This lazarette hatch can be used for systems access and visual inspections, but also for lines, fenders, inflatable kayaks, paddle boards, and any other goodies. And then to port, you have additional index storage and systems access as well. You also have a raw water washdown system with your spigot to port. Easily attaches a hose, turns on and off so you can clean this deck off very easily. As you come to the helm area on this boat and under the hardtop, you're gonna notice an extremely versatile and unique space. You have the aft-facing mezzanine or forward-facing seat, the high-low, beautiful table here that can convert into another lounge area, and then you have another piece of unique seating to the port side that swivels inward to face your guests or can swivel forward while underway. Included in this area, you even have a 12-volt television with a digital antenna to complete your entertainment space. As you come to this area, you're gonna notice you have a standard 12-volt stainless steel refrigerator, ample storage drawers throughout, throw and catch areas for your gear as well, a beautiful stainless steel sink with a fresh water faucet with hot and cold water, and a standard 12-volt wine chiller. You can see this helm is something that you'd see on a Mega-Yacht. First, you have two standard 8612 Garmin multifunction displays, a smaller Garmin display, and your Yamaha display. These are all NEMA compatible, so you can interchange the screens and put whatever preferred data you want on them. You have a unique system where the screens can tilt based on your height as a captain and to eliminate glare. You have a tilt steering wheel with the premium leather wrap and Solara logo, ICOM VHF radio, Yamaha instrumentation here with your autopilot and ignition switches. You have your electronic binnacles with standard auto leveling trim tabs in reach as well. This boat comes standard with the Helm Master system. It's a truly intuitive system that takes all the trepidation out of docking and really increases the enjoyment of running this boat. Accentuating on the Solara standard are subtle details that you won't find on many other boats. Looking at the hardtop, you'll notice EVA foam decking to help knock down glare, reduce noise. You'll see accent lighting throughout. Another standard feature with this boat is full enclosure canvas. You'll see Ketterwelt tracks throughout the hardtop to make installing it super easy. You can truly enclose this entire area and create a temperature controlled environment when needed. You'll notice you have a large moonroof in the hardtop to close in adverse weather or to provide more shade, but also you don't lose the unique open and airy feeling with all the natural light and glass in this area. This bow area is truly an incredible lounge and entertaining space. You can see you have premium Fusion speakers once again with LED lights in them, a remote Fusion stereo control. Moving forward, you're gonna have a standard electric windlass with bow controls and helm controls. The anchor, rod, and chain is in its designated compartment that drains overboard as well. You can see you have a standard 4-step boarding ladder to board the boat when beached without entering the water. Another unique feature on this boat is standard bow and stern cameras on board. The camera is mounted just below the rub rail, facing forward, so you can monitor deploying and retrieving this anchor. The bow area comes standard with bow filler cushions to make this entire area a lounge. This boat comes standard with both a bow shade and a stern shade. On the hardtop, you're gonna have standard aft spreader lights, a powder-coated electronics mast for your optional radar, your standard digital TV antenna, and your GPS pucks for the Garmin and Yamaha system. Below deck is a massive full-size cabin. I'm 6'2" and I can stand up here with ample headroom left to spare. You have a massive V-berth that can convert into another seating area with storage throughout and underneath it. There's plenty of natural light and fresh air available with your frosted glass and port lights throughout. You have your Fusion 770 stereo control and your air conditioning thermostat. This boat has a full-size head with electric toilet. In the head area, you can see there's a freshwater shower wand with hot and cold water mixer. These are the types of appointments that you'd see on much larger boats. Thank you so much for coming aboard the Solara 310 Sport Coupe with me today. For more information on this model and all of our other Solara models, go to solaraboats.com.